Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can search seller on eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.ebay.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of eBay. Now simply search for anything you want to buy. For example, I'm searching for shoes, and there you can see a name called Across Sport. So this is the seller of that particular item. So simply copy the name of that seller and in the search bar simply paste it and then hit the return button, and then you are all set with things they have sold. So if you're going to do this, all different kind of stuffs will be shown. However, if you're gonna go and tap on the advanced setting, you will find an option called buy seller. So if you tap on the buy seller option, it will now include the seller that sells that particular item, which means now all the searches will be from your particular seller that you have been searching, which is in this example Across Sports. So this is how you can search a seller in your eBay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.